Hello. In this tutorial, we are looking at using AWS Lambda, and we are integrating Amazon SNS with AWS Lambda. As you see here, the final product is triggering a Lambda function, or at least collecting and recording a log in CloudWatch of the Lambda, and because of any messages that we receive in SNS. So in SNS, we define a topic, we publish a message for that topic, and as soon as SNS publishes the topic and Lambda receives the topic, that message, then there will be a record in its CloudWatch log file. It shows that Lambda function can be triggered if you define any function later, then that can be triggered by receiving that message. So let's start by building this infrastructure in AWS. Alright, so let's start with SNS. So let's go to our simple notification services, and let's start by maybe creating a new topic. So you can go to maybe here to see whenever there's any topic already there, you can see all the topics, and then otherwise you can build the first one here. So we create a topic with the standard form, and it's like best effort message ordering, and also it's good to whenever we are looking to have subscription protocols for SQS, for Lambda and other protocols. Let's put a name for that. Maybe I put a name here, Lambda SNS topic, maybe a meaningful name, right? And then we can go to all the other configurations are optional. We can skip all of them and we can create our topic. And so this is our first topic in SNS. If you go to your dashboard, if you go to your topic, then you're able to publish a message, right, in that topic. Now let's go to a Lambda function, and let's create our function here. We start by from scratch, and we put a name here, again maybe a meaningful name, maybe let's go to another name like SNS message handler, a kind of meaningful name, and then a code that I also give you access is a Python code. And for the permission, again, we are looking to add a role here. And so before going ahead, let's be sure that we have enough permissions on that role. Let's go to IAM services. Let's look at our role. I like to see if in that role I have enough permission. Let's go and add policies for maybe SNS, so SNS full access, right? Let's go with that one. And then apart from that, so let's add this permission, and also let's go to attach another policy. Let's go to Lambda, and then let's see if there is any other permission is needed. So for Lambda, we have Lambda and S3 SageMaker, code deployment, Lambda full access. Let's also give this one, be sure that it has access to write and read the SNS topics. And then I guess the rest of that is not required. AKMS cadences, and hopefully everything is fine. So this is my role, right, that is attached to Lambda. And now let's come back to Lambda here. And something that we need to do right now is to first put a code here. I remove this code. This is the new one. And this code, it's as long as there is like any event happens, and that event is actually receiving a message from SNS, and then it copied the message in that log. I can deploy the function. Without deploying, we do not have an effect of the function. For the trigger, I can go with like SNS here, and then for the topic, let's see, I cannot see the topic that I've created, and I need to see why. So this topic is created already. Let's go to dashboard. There is one topic is here, and SNS topic. So let's go and go to trigger. No, I cannot see the topic here. Let's go and maybe go to topics, and then this is FIFO. This is the reason. Let's go to standard one. I guess this should be a standard topic, otherwise I cannot see on that Lambda. And then let's create it, and let's go to dashboard again. I have two topics and I need this standard one, right? I can delete this one. I don't need it anymore. So to confirm deletion into the phrase delete me. Okay, done. And let's go to Lambda function. I should see the topic right now because it's a standard topic, right? Okay, so it's add, and it seems everything is ready. The code is already deployed. Trigger comes from SNS, and we're ready to send first or publish a first message. So let's go to topics, my topic, and then let's publish a message. So the subject is optional. Let's go to see. This is my first message, and this is my name to be sure that everything is for me, and publish. So the publish page message published to the topic. Let's go to my Lambda function, and then let's go to, as you see here, you can see, let's go to monitor. It should be after a while, if everything works fine, there should be an event here. Let's go to CloudWatch. Let's see if there is any log created already, and yeah, there's a log here created for me. And I guess I have also some logs from before. Let's go to clear maybe all these logs, and so I can do maybe something. I can do filtering for like previous one. But it's too much. Let's wait, and let's clear these messages and come back to see my own message. Alright, so I've cleared the log groups to be sure that there is not any confusion. Now I'm going to my SNS again, right? And then I'm going to publish a message. So this is my new message after cleanup, and this is me as the author, and let's publish. So if I go to again my function, if I go to CloudWatch and in log groups, yeah, there should be one new log stream. And then if you open it, then apart from all other information, then there is the message here, right? So this is coming from SNS. This is my new message after cleanup. So it shows that your Lambda function was triggered by SNS, and the event is receiving a message, and then that message will be logged in that log file. And if you see here, we have also some events that are visible on the dashboard, right? But if you go to CloudWatch logs, you can see the message in text form as well. So by this activity, we could finally trigger our Lambda function by receiving a message in a topic in SNS services. Okay, thank you.